Okay, so how am I going to do this? What if I just go to this NPC? I think he sells an accurate tip for it. I really hope so. If he doesn't, well, that's sad. Come down. Hello, good sir. What do you sell today? Tell medkit, like a medkit, bandage, and a small shield potion. Bandage. And there was a medkit over there, so that's going to give me some free levels. Boink! And a medkit. Fortnight, let me. Fortnight, you! Come on, let me, Fortnight, let me. Here, please. Okay, then, not for me. So I'm gonna probably launch back to Sludgy or something. Woohoo! Is anyone over at Build Till over there? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's a juicy supply drop. I bet it's gonna probably have like a golden weapon or something. We're gonna go for it anyways, because there's probably gonna be swats going for it. I don't want to get in this fight with some good swats. Okay. I can hear a chest. The party house is up. What if I just tag it? Just test this. Name is Amot. For my shrinking, so I have to go to Hydro. And then I'll be okay. Ooh, a slurp barrel. Anyone near the slurp barrel? Because this is my slurp barrel. And then I'll gladly take the truck to go away. Nice. And then goodbye. I'm heading south of winter. Boink. You were supposed to work. Why? Finally, happy. You work on that, but you don't work on that. Louise. I definitely need to put on visual audio, but I find visual audio. What if I just go AFK, and when someone comes near me, I'm gonna just one pump. Yeah, someone was definitely here. Probably got like a epic pump or something. I know this guy starts an activate. Maybe there's going to be some juicy loot in here. Not really, too expensive. Anyone there? Good. The surrounding is delicious. Oh, it's a Lambo here. Is that a guy up there at the spire? No, I think it's those torches. So no one else can use it? I'm such a kind person. Just started with a little fire, it's fine. I'm probably not gonna go for that. If I just tag him, just one. Joking, joking, now leave me alone. Okay. Now make my way over to Boney. Boney's still in Storm Circle. Hi, Boney. So now where is Storm Circle? All the way down there. Goodbye, pit stop. Don't got one elimination, but I'm probably going to go for a fight in a minute. Maybe I should go back to that place. I was trying for that to be cool, but it never works. Ooh, a burst. No thanks. Wait, do I have 6? Okay, now where am I going to go? We're just going to bounce a bit. I'm kind of... Now go out. Wait, cars don't work, so I can just bounce here endlessly. That's so cool. I mean, unbounce here endlessly. I was worried that was a rocket launcher. No. And I'm not going against a rocket launcher. Do I hear a chicken? I'm gonna give him a run. Hi, man. Oh, my aim is so mean. Oh, fudge! What am I being third-partied? No, I'm not going to be third-partied. Goodbye. I'm moving to Afghanistan. Excuse me. Leave me alone. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to fight. You guys can sweat your butts off. See, I'm heading south. Thanks for not... Do not get ideas. Do not get any ideas. Thanks. Reach top. How should I go for that? Soon I'll have to make a stop. But I'll have to heal. No! Bro, that was so unlucky. Jeez. I rage top 8. That was so unlucky, my guys. Okay. Well, that was just unlucky. Minutes. Okay. I think I can squeeze in one late game arena. But if it does, I'm going to skip out all the boring parts, probably. Well, I guess I'll see you when I'm in the match. So, yeah, now I'm in the match. So, I'm probably going to land Risky, because that's who am I, Risky. That's my middle name, Risky Reels. Okay, I'm still doing the no supply drop challenge. So this is going to be, I just want to end this quickly, so I'm just going to get myself killed immediately. Hello, good sir. Would you like to buy your death today? $2.99. Oh! Okay. Oh. Well, guys, I guess that's going to be the end of the video. Guess. I'll record another one today, but that's me from now. See you in the next video. Cheers.